Hello everyone, it's me Chubby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to create computer or smartphone mockup for free in any computer and smartphone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as Canva, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you need to click on this login if you have already an account on the Canva applications, and if you don't have an account on the Canva application, then you can just sign up and create one account. So I have already created, so I'm directly gonna log in. So now you can see the various options. So on the left panel you can see your create option, home option, project option, templates, brand, Canva AI, and there are more options. So firstly, just click on this create and you can select the already present, or you can select this custom size. So here I will set a custom width and height. So I'm gonna select this video landscape 1920 into 1080 pixel, which is the full HD resolution. So now just click on this elements and you can select a different background. So I'm gonna set it to black. So just select the shapes and you can select the respective shape here. So I'm gonna select a basic shape. Let me adjust it. So let me change the color. So I'm gonna select the dark gray color. So I will just use it as a background. Now just click on this back button. Now scroll down below and select this frames. So now you can see devices here. So just click on this see all. So you can get different smartphone designs or tablets, even the computers. So you can select the respective smartphone or computer mockups. So I'm gonna select one mockup from here. So let me select this. So let me adjust it. So now say I want to add a video inside this smartphone mockup design. So now just click on this uploads and you can click on this upload file if you want to upload your respective video or image file here. So I have already uploaded some videos here. So I'm gonna select from here directly. Just select the respective video and just drag it inside the smartphone or computer mockup. So you can see it's auto framed. So even you can check it out if it's really working or not by clicking on display. So you can see here it's working perfectly. So once you're satisfied with all your editing, then you can click on this share option. Now you can select the various options from here. So I'm gonna select this download option, and under the file type you can select different file formats. So here I'm gonna select a MP4 video and you can set it to different video quality. So I'm gonna set it to full HD, that is a 1080 pixel, and click on this download. So finally the file has been downloaded. So you can see here on the above. Now let us go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me try to open it. So you can clearly see. So by using this cool application known as Canva, you can easily create computer or smartphone mockup for free in any computer and smartphone very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.